This is the Kospet PRIME. It's a new technology Android smartwatch that offers instant face unlock. It's got the standard Android characteristics to it. You have 4G capability, and I do have a SIM card in this one, Bluetooth connectivity, your power level, all in color with brand new page of color icons as well for your sleeping and silent mode and brightness and airplane mode and twist your wrists and cellular connectivity, GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. You've got a cleanup section, and you've got music, and one more swipe gets you to weather. You also have your notifications, your app drawer here, which can be in linear fashion like this, or you can switch it over to the Apple bubble style, which is really cool and really works like so. In addition to all of that, you've got your step count information, summary, daily activity information in here, and of course, you've got fitness as well built into here, and the fitness is integrated to GPS. You've got a side and a front-facing camera, and with that camera, you're able to do the video chatting, and hello, come here camera, video chatting, video log. This is the side camera right here, and I can switch it there. And of course, it's got the face unlock capability as well. It's a basic 2 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel camera, both being up interpolated, and it works really well. It is the Kospet PRIME Face Unlock 1.6 inch IPS screen, 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of memory, and an amazing 1200 plus milliamp hour battery. I'm getting about twice the life out of this one as I do out of any other ones. Check it out.